What's going on? Like, should we be afraid?
I always recommend hope versus fear.
Do you think we'll come to a world where we don't need that many people working? Do you think in our lifetime?
Look, it's possible.
Today, I'm sitting down with Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, and someone who's on the forefront of building and using new AI tools. I wanted to have a conversation with someone who's deep in it about what our future is going to look like when AI is going to be even more adopted in the world. Will AI take over our jobs? Will robots replace us in the near future? What will the world look like when machines grow smarter, faster, and more capable than ever before? What should we be doing right now? And what tools do we need to stay ahead?
My viewers want to make money yesterday. They don't care about AI. They don't care about what LinkedIn founder says about getting a job or leaving a job. So my video has to be about making money. And because I am one of the one who uses AI and make money with it every single day, I want you to watch this full video because I'm going to show you something interesting that will make you an overnight expert of AI. Show you how to find a problem that others can't find, and that will put you in a better position and even land a better job, even quit your job and make even more money. Okay, before we begin, can you help me understand something? Why have you not smashed the like button yet? Why did you not share the video with your friends, family, and social media? And if you haven't subscribed to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, why not? Listen, the only reason I make these videos is to get help from Allah, is to make Allah happy. Because if I put a little bit of my time, effort, and my research, my work, and give it to you, and you get some benefits, Allah will be happy and Allah will give me the money. So whether you buy something from me or not, I don't care. I know that if you get even a tiny bit of benefit, and even if you don't get any benefit, due to my intention, I will get help from Allah. So what is stopping you from liking this video, share with your friends, family, and social media, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, because this way you're not only helping me who is trying to help you, but also when algorithm will pick this video and show it to more and more people, can you imagine how many people will get benefit from this? So go do it. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and let's move on to the main video. And it started with a problem that happened today. My daughter came to me with a chemistry related problem. And just to show off how much I know about AI, I used ChatGPT, and the result I got completely blew my mind. In fact, it got us such an interesting result that we had to go to Google's Gemini and ask the same questions. So if you don't watch this video, you might lose a big opportunity. We'll come back to this later. Before we talk about kids' chemistry problem and what we have done with ChatGPT and Gemini, I want to show you something interesting that all the 6 most popular AI platforms did with this video. As you know, it's a 22 minutes long video, and if I ask you to watch this video, most of you will not watch, because a funny cat video is far more interesting than watching an interview. So I put the video transcript into Elon Musk's Grok. I used Grok 3 to analyze the video and asked a couple of questions. It's all about making money, by the way, so stay tuned. But the result I got was not satisfactory. Honestly, I did not expect this kind of result. So I asked ChatGPT the same question, and I got far better results. So that made me look at other AI platforms like Cloud, Chinese AI QuenChat, and another Chinese AI platform, DeepSeek.com. And finally thought, hey, why not Google's Gemini? Here we are. We got some results from Google's Gemini as well. Okay, Mosh, enough intro. How are we going to make money with this? After going through all this analysis of all these AI platforms and watching this video from start to end, I got disappointed. This is a boring video. It's a basic blabbering between two persons, the host and the guest. They did not go deep into any single topic. It's like instead of having a conversation on a tea table or a coffee table, they just used their podcast platform, made a content, and made money with it. Look at the topics they discussed about. They discussed about AI for content creation, AI for video editing, AI for chatbot setup, AI powered research, AI driven YouTube channel. I have been talking about all these deep into details into my other videos on my channel. So why did they even spend time and shoot this video? This is what Grok say. Number 1, showing off their expertise. Well, I don't think so. They didn't prove any way that they know any better than you about AI. It's just, I am a big guy, I have done this and I have done that and nothing else. Building a community, I didn't quite understand where is the community, but Grok said that. Making money, this is what I'm interested in. So Grok said they might earn money from ads on the video. Well, I was not expecting this might word because there must be a very specific way they're making money. Networking. By interviewing experts like Reid Hoffman, they're making friends with important people in the tech world. And here comes the funniest comment. That's like having a VIP pass to the coolest party. Okay, that was it. But ChatGPT went really deeper and specific. Branding. The creator is positioning themselves as an AI expert. Well, not so much, but engagement. This was important. AI is a hot topic and people love discussing it. Affiliate marketing, no one was talking about. They promoted a free AI toolkit, which likely has affiliate link. If you go to the description of the video, you'll find this link which takes you to this free book of HubSpot. And this is the point where the host is promoting the book in her link in the description. You must be bored by now. Mosh, what are we talking about? Where is my money? You promised passive income. My brother, give me a second. I'm creating a premise here. I'm going to show you big bucks. Another reason for making this video is to mention Reid's book, Hints at Future Sales. So let's take it like this. The podcast host reached out to Reid Hoffman and said, I have a big audience. If you do a podcast interview with me, I will mention your book and your AI platform. I will get content that will nurture my audience and get more viewers from outside, and you will get a book advertisement. Tons of people will buy your book and buy access to your AI platform. It's a win-win. So almost all the AI platforms said one thing right. The video was made to get access to audience, get more traffic to your offer, make sales and make money. Okay, so if you want to make money just like this content creator and you want to promote exactly the same thing she is promoting, you can search for HubSpot affiliate on Google and come to this page and then click here, become an affiliate. It will take you to impact.com. You have to sign up there and become their affiliate once you get approval. And they will pay you 30% recurring commission every customer you refer successfully and up to $1,000 per sale. This is called high ticket affiliate marketing, where you earn high value affiliate commission, like the members of our 99% done for you program. Jody is a busy mom and she has a 9-to-5 day job. With the help of our 99% done for you program, making a $500 commission was super easy. Christine Joy lives in Vietnam. She has a 9-to-5 day job and she's completely busy, but she made $300 commission and a couple of other $500 commission. It was easy for her because the program is 99% done for you. Tash is a busy mom. She has no time for a side hustle, but with the little work she has to do, she earned a couple of $500 commission. Gabriel lives in UK. She is busy with her family and day job. Osman has a day job and he loves to travel. Osman, in fact, traveled to over 150 countries and made many $500 and $1,000 commission. If you are interested in learning how we use AI, but we do not use long videos. Yeah, I make long videos because I built this habit in many years. But the students of our program do not make long videos. We use AI to learn new skills fast. And then we use our experience of using AI and the newly learned skills and make short form videos about 30 seconds to 90 seconds long. Then we upload the same short video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. These platforms send us free viewers to our videos. These viewers then go through an AI-powered automated sales funnel. The job of this sales funnel is to make sales on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. The best of the best part is that the whole system is 99% done for you. And by watching this video training, you will learn about this whole system. So I recommend go click the link in the description. It will ask you for your email. When you put your email in the right field, it will take you to this website. Go and watch the full video from start to end. And if you have any question, feel free to ask our AI chat agent. It will answer any question you have. If you still have more questions, simply DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger and I'll be more than happy to answer any question. This training is completely free to watch. There is no reason why you should not watch this training. Go ahead, it's link in the description. Watch this training and we will see you there. Now, what happened to my daughter's chemistry problem? I took a photo of this table. This table was in the textbook of my daughter and she wants a specific solution to a problem. I asked the problem to ChatGPT. And you know what? ChatGPT gave me a completely wrong answer. So I said, can you double check that your analysis for test tube B is correct? It gave me the answer again, and this answer was also wrong. So I went to Gemini and asked the same question. While Gemini gave me the right answer, but when we asked a follow-up question, it gave me another weird answer. Now this answer was already here and literally anyone can see and tell you the result. But Gemini gave me wrong answer, so it made me ask Gemini, can you double check? Yeah, it double checked, but the answer was again wrong. I said, listen, it is written the value is this range. Why are you saying otherwise? And Gemini answered this, which is totally wrong. And when I mentioned that, hello, you are giving a wrong value, the value that is already written on the image, then Gemini corrected and it was also wrong. So this is not. But again, when I came to ChatGPT and asked the same question, it gave me a pretty much decent answer. Not 100% correct, but it's decent. I mean, it's not even acceptable. What do we learn from this? AI is not 100% correct all the time. That puts us, you and me, in a position where we can become the operator of AI, the managers of AI, the validators of AI-driven results. If we use AI in our day job or our business and we show this kind of result, good results and bad results both, to our customers, to our clients, even to our employers, it is super easy to establish our position as an expert without even being an expert, just by using AI. And just like this guy, but if you want to take it to the next level, then you want to become like this guy. Whatever you are doing and whatever you are learning with AI and about AI, make content, make short form content and do exactly what we do. And inshallah, you will get results like our students. These students are regular people just like you and me. They are not expert and they are not influencers. You do not need to become an influencer or have a crazy big audience in order to make money like this. And if you think we can help you, simply click the link in the description below and watch the free training about AI-powered digital marketing and how we can help you with our 99% done for you program. Then after watching the free training, you can take an educated decision whether this program is the best of the best program for you or not. In either case, you learn something that you can implement and get results for yourself. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to our channel because we have a goal of getting 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and it is impossible without your help. And make sure you switch on the notification bell button because this way you will get notified by YouTube when we upload our next video, and we will see you on the next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next video.